Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day and I hope you have banked good profit. Let me share with you how I analyze and help my traders to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis in the real time. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD and if you look at the 4-hour chart, we can see here the price is respecting support and this resistance level, but within this consolidation we manage amazing profit because, as you know, we are intraday trader. Let me share with you guys how I managed beautiful pips within this consolidation. As you can see here, okay, so this is the first analysis at the Asian session. That's what we did. As you can see here, price nicely break previously, you can see false breakout, beautiful breakout, long trade here. As soon as the price hit around previous high in 4-hour, as you can see here, I explained to my traders time to enjoy some profit. Let's see if the price is going to respect or break. As you can see here, price nicely respected. Then we have another breakout short trade here, price nicely hit to the previous low in 4-hour. That's we bank amazing profit. And afterwards, as you can see here in 4-hour, price developed a false breakout, price came back here, so we have another long trade here. Let me share with you guys. That's what I explained to my trader, that we are expecting a pullback. As you can see, we haven't seen any red candle at this level. Price nicely developed a false breakout. As you can see there, previous section, the safest way to look for this breakout, and after this breakout, beautiful, another pullback. As soon as the price hit to around previous high, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit again. And once we bank some profit, but then I did another analysis, and this is the live analysis because every day I train people through live intraday analysis. The price action, I explain to my trader complete price action, expecting a long here, and target would be this previous high. As you can see here, price nicely developed pullback based on the analysis. Price nicely hit to the previous high and bank beautiful pips. Afterwards, price reverse, as you can see here, because at the moment, as soon as the price develop another pattern, we broadcast that information instantly. As you can see here, the price develop another symmetric triangle pattern and also head and shoulder pattern, and the price respected the previous high, which is the resistance level. Beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit around the previous low level, explain my traders time to bank some profit. You can see guys how we analyze market within the intradays in consolidation in 4-hour, how we manage beautiful pips on Euro USD. Okay, so pound dollar, if you look at here, pound dollar, we have the same situation. You can see here consolidation. So within this consolidation, we manage few PPs. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. As you can see here, this is the analysis I did at the Asian session. Price develop a sideways market. We're looking this breakout. Price nicely broken, and after the breakout, price retest, momentum was bullish. Beautiful breakout as soon as the price hit to the previous high, and that's what explained my trader it's time to bank some profit. Let's see another move. As you can see here, after the breakout, we were expecting a pullback. If not, because the price hitting to the resistance level, so we have another small breakout short trade on pound dollar. After banking some profit, explained to my trader the New York session. Let's see, let the price break out this consolidation. As you can see here, price nicely broken after the breakout as soon as the price hit to the previous low level in 4-hour, as you can see here, and that's what I explained to my traders time to bank some profit. And afterwards, as you can see here, after the breakout, we were expecting another pullback, and that's what I explained to my trader, look for this level. If the price gonna break this level, then short trade here, price nicely broken, even retest. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, explain trader, it's time to enjoy a few PPs or move your stop loss at the break even. All right, let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had a very good trade. We were long this week from here. If you haven't seen my previous video analysis, video link is given in the video description. So this morning, as you can see here, price have already broken this previous. We banked some profit yesterday here, and afterward, after this breakout, we were expecting a pullback. That's we have taken a pullback here. We had such a nice long trade on dollar CAD. Let me share with you the entries and exit. If you look at here, we had such a beautiful trade. As you can see here, yesterday, once we banked some profit, I did this analysis at the Asian session. we had this breakout, price nicely hit to the again at the 200 EMA, bank, 100 EMA, bank beautiful pips. And afterwards, as you can see here, another pullback long here, and we're expecting here, as you can see here, price nicely develop another pullback and price nicely hit to the profit target. That's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit. All right, guys, as you can see how we analyze market in 4 hour and refine entries and exit in intraday and banks pips every day. As always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analysis in real time and the banking profit in real time. If you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time. And once you develop your trading skill in real time, I can also help you to get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train with my trader every single day through live intraday analysis, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are an experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with the other traders. So most welcome. Join my fast trading going community. And thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.